What's up, everybody? It's Raven here from Blacklanta, and today I want to teach you how to create a free business card with a QR code. I know some of you guys are wondering what is a QR code and how can it help my business. Well, number one, when a person scans a QR code, that code can take them directly to your website. It can take them directly to your YouTube. It can take them directly to your Facebook. Whatever you want to link that code to, it takes users directly to it. So this can drive sales, it can drive views, and it can do a lot of things to help your brand. So, I'm just going to dive right into showing you exactly what it can do because it's so many things. So what can a QR code do for my business? So we're just going to Google it. All right, so here are 8 uses of QR codes for a measurable marketing campaign. Direct customers to a landing page or website. I said that. Dial your business number. You can send a message, send an email, download apps, view a business location, direct customers to social media, like I said, YouTube, Facebook, wherever you want to go, and shopping and e-commerce sites. So if you're selling a product and you don't have a QR code, you need to get on it as soon as possible. So the first thing we're going to dive into is how to create this free business card. Now, when I give you guys this secret, you cannot tell nobody, okay? Okay, actually tell everybody you know, because in order to help other people, you got to spread the knowledge. So I'm going to spread the knowledge that I know, and I hope that you guys pass this information on to help the next person out. You're going to go to postermywall.com. All right, so this is literally one of my favorite websites. You can create flyers here, Black History Month flyers, posters, Valentine's Day posts, anything that you can think of, you can create it right here on this website for free. Now, when I say free, I literally mean free, or you can buy it. The quality of it is better when you buy it, but you can also use the free version too. We're going to look for business cards. When you type in business cards, it's going to give you an entire page full of business cards that you can use. And here's one with a QR code right here. That's pretty cool. We're just going to go to something pretty easy like this one, because I'm sure everybody has a Gmail account, Facebook, Instagram. And I'm just going to go right here, click on this guy, customize the template. And no, I'm doing the free version today. And the free version actually looks good. And when you buy it, the only thing is you can remove the watermark down here. But what I like to do is just crop it out whenever I'm done. I just go download it, the basic image, and it has the watermark on there, but I kind of just crop it out. But you can do whatever you want to. And I mean, the high quality image without the watermark is just $2.99. So anyway, we're going to do the free way today. What I'm going to do here is basically show you how to edit these business cards to your liking and just changing information here. It's going to be very, very basic, but I just want you guys to get the gist of how to do it. This is join the I Am movement today. This is kind of like a mission statement that they have for their business card. And I think it's very important to have your mission on your business card to tell like what you do. So for example, Blacklanta. We elevate the profile of black-owned businesses. Now, if I wanted to make this fit on one line, what I want to do is stretch this out, and I would want to go to the font. I want to highlight it, go to the size over here on the right panel, and just scale that down a little bit until it fits on the card. So, and for here, of course, I would just put how to contact me. So literally, you go in and just change all of the information to what you want. You can change the color of these. If I wanted this to be gold, I would just go in here to the right panel, find what color of gold I want. It's different shades. You can pick any color you want, and you just go to each of those. And the color that you choose first will be saved right here. So you just go down and just continue to change the color to whatever you want it to be. This logo right here, this is where we're gonna put our QR code. We want our QR code to be in a good space so that it can easily be captured on a cell phone. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna remove this logo. The next thing I'm going to do is go to the website for the QR code. Now, note, QR code completely free, okay? So the next thing we're gonna do is go to barcodegenerator.org. So you have your free barcode generator here. You want to create a QR code. You want to type in your website URL. You can type in your V card, which is all your contact information, your email, text message, Facebook. If you want them to go to a PDF, if this is your music, you got Apple Music, you want to just go right there. You got to sign up to do that one. If you wanted to take you to an image, literally everything you want to do is right here. So today we're just going to type in the URL. So just going to follow the example. So we're going to create that QR code, press that button. All right. So now you just go right here to your right and you're going to download that code. Once the code is downloaded, you're just going to click on it. And what we're going to do is just drag it to our desktop. All right. Now we're going to go back to our business card. We're going to go to photos and add from my photos, upload photos, and my QR code is right here on my desktop, and you're just going to press open, and here we are. And you just want to make that fit however you want to. It doesn't have to be a specific size, but you want it to be big enough to be able to scan whenever you get it printed. Scan the QR code to, and for example, for us, for Blacklanta, list your business for free. So we want to tell people what our QR code is doing, like shop with us or check out my YouTube channel by clicking the QR code. And also you want to show people like how to do it. So what I do is if I give people my business card, I talk to them like, yeah, are you if you want to shop with me or if you want to buy a shirt, all you have to do is just scan the QR code. And they're like, scan the QR code? Yeah, just take your phone out, go to your camera and open it up and just scan it and it'll take you right on to my website. So that is how you create a free business card with a QR code. Now, like I said before, if you want to download the version without the watermark, feel free to do that for $2.99. If you want to download the basic image, you just do it right here for free. And that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to just download this image. It's going to come right here on my computer and here we are. For the front of the business card, what I would do is go to create a design, blank canvas, the first thing that's on there. Go to business card, landscape orientation, pick a solid color. I recommend doing this because you already have a lot of information on the back, so the front should be kind of simple. Maybe just put your logo. So download it the same way you did the other one. We'll do the free version. And there you have it. And when you go to those sites to upload and get your stuff printed, you'll have those two files. So you'll just have the front of your business card and the back of your business card. If you are in Atlanta, I go to primaflyers.com and I literally get my business cards printed the same day. So you can do same day business cards, next day business card, and they're starting at a cheap price. So you can get them for 100 business cards same day for $15. That's great. Or you can go to Vistaprint if you are, not in Atlanta. But if you're not in Atlanta, you can order on Prima. But with Prima, if you're in Atlanta, you just order the cards and you can go pick them up from the location the same day. But for anyone else, you can go to Vistaprint.com. Pretty much great prices here as well. business cards. You just go right here and you'll do square, rounded, whatever kind of business cards you want. And 500 business cards, $30. That's not bad at all. And you just start designing it. Start your design, upload those pictures. Thank you again for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you spread the word, tell people to subscribe, leave a comment below if you like this video. So stay tuned and we'll be back with another video soon.